up, oh yeah, crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website, coming in live at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. And in preparation for the July 4th break extravaganza, little red, white, and blue roster for tonight. This is the 2011 Topps Precision Football Break. Here is the roster. And if you haven't seen the break extravaganza, 31 total boxes, 20 different high-end football products. By far the biggest break in history. So if you want to be a part of it, next Friday, 10 p.m. Eastern, spots go on sale. It is gonna be epic. And before we break this one, just a quick reminder, still got 3 spots in the gold standard for midnight Eastern. Playbook is sold out for 11 p.m. Eastern. Still got 3 spots though for the gold standard. So if you're watching, want to get in, still got some spots for you. And there are the beautiful 4 mini boxes. I'm gonna go left or right tonight. Here is mini box number 1. Quick look. Verify that still on its original seal. Alright, good luck everybody. Pack number 1. Up first, San Diego Chargers, Vincent Jackson. Nice looking pitcher, laying out for a nice catch. Hit him on my fantasy team last year. A little bit too up and down for me. Just a reminder, we got our fantasy football leagues forming. Gonna be hot, so get on, get your spot. Next up, Green Bay Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Very nice base card. Again, these Topps Precision come on a really nice, I think it's 72 point stock. Nice thickies. Nice Aaron Rodgers card there for James L. Nice hit, James. Hit of this pack is going to the Kansas City Chiefs, Steve Breston autograph. Bit of a short print, numbered 16 out of 99. Looks like didn't bother signing his name, just the initials SB, but still kind of cool. Show you the back there real quick. There's the first hit out of box 1, and the last card of that pack is going to the Lions, Calvin Johnson Jr. And that one's going to John M. Here's mini box number 2. Start with the bottom card, save the hit for the end. First, San Diego Chargers, Ryan Matthews. Very nice card going to Mike T. Again, I can't tell you how much I love these thick stock point cards. Just feel really good in your hands. Nice hit there for Mike. Next up, St. Louis Rams, a little throwback to Kurt Warner. This one going to James L. Another nice hit, James. Show you the back real quick. For the New Orleans Saints, Drew Brees. And some nice quarterback hits here. Saints going to Paul E. And thanks again, Paul, for getting in those 2 full box breaks last night. Really appreciate it. Hopefully you're happy. Pulled some really nice cards. And the hit of this box is going to the San Francisco 49ers, Kendall Hunter, rookie on-card autograph. And that one is also going to Paul E. Looks like you got the good mojo working there, Paul. See if we got a number on this one. Doesn't look like it, but still a very cool card. Alright, mini box number 3. Start with the bottom card first. Washington Redskins, Santana Moss. That one also going to Paul E. Hey Paul, quit hogging the cards, man. Should be a nice target. RG3 thrown in this year. Next up, Houston Texans, Andre Johnson. That one is going to John M. Nice hit, John. Oakland Raiders, Darren McFadden. Cool card for Eric K with the late scoop. Just picked that group up about 20 minutes ago. And the hit of the box is going again to the San Francisco 49ers. Colin Kaepernick, rookie on-card. Oh no, that's a sticker auto with a jumbo patch. And that is a very short print quarterback auto, rookie auto. See if we can get that to focus. This one is numbered 16 out of 35. Come on now, focus. There we go. 16 out of 35. Colin Kaepernick, rookie quarterback jumbo patch autograph. That one is going to Paul E. Like I said, Paul, man, quit hogging the cards. You got that good karma rolling from those full box breaks, I guess. Alright, last up, box number 4. And just a quick reminder, looks like we still have 3 spots in the Midnight Eastern Gold Standard break. The Panini Playbook for 11 is sold out. Still have some spots for Monday though, so if you like the playbook, take a look. Denver Broncos, no Sean Moreno. And this one's going to Jaime. For the Green Bay Packers, Jermichael Finley. Another one for James L. Nice pull, James. Looks like you got another one coming, James. This one, Malcolm Lloyd, St. Louis Rams. Again, going to James L. And last up, hit of pack number 4 is a Jamie Harper rookie autograph jumbo patch. And this one is going to Jaime. Let's see if we got a number. No number on the front. Doesn't look like it. Still a very cool card. Nice Paul Jaime. So, well, that is it for the 2011 Topps Precision. Just a reminder, 2011 playbook for 11 Eastern is sold out. We got the Midnight Gold Standard, 3 spots available. Last I checked, actually, it looks like we might have sold a couple, so get on, get your spots. Good night, guys.